Hi, I am Dr. Arvind Kumar Sharma of Kite Group of Institution, Ghaziabad. I will try to use Google Classroom app for conducting online exams in this session. For this, open Google Classroom app and click on this plus sign to create a class. I have already created one. From here, enter into the people, then invite students, type the email address and invite. Now, for uploading the question paper, enter into classwork, create an assignment here, and then add the question paper from here. After clicking, you can upload the question paper. Now the question paper is uploaded here, and this is for the class name, whatever I have given, all students, then grade category, total marks, points 60, then due date, next coming date of tomorrow, that is 2nd, and time for 9 to 12. I can give 15 minutes for converting it into the PDF. So I'll give 12, 15, and then I'll keep it same. The moment I assign this, it will go to all the students in their console. Now the question paper is seen here. I can check up the status of assignment here. Now the student have submitted their answer script here. So I will start the evaluation process. Click here, it will open. So here for evaluating this, I will add a comment. So I'll click here, add a comment, then highlight the question number I am evaluating. In the comment box, after going through the complete script or answer, I will award the marks here, then move to the next question. Highlighted, it will be an indicator that this question has been awarded with the marks. So first question, this is second question. After reading, enter the marks here. Then while coming back, after awarding the total marks, fix it and carry on adding 3 plus 4, 7. So we can add 7 marks here. I have not completed it. So if I return it here, then it will be going to the student, but now I will not declare the result. So I will evaluate all the answer script first and then return to the students. Now the marks awarded are appearing here against the name of the student. So after evaluating all the answer script, I will select here all the students and then press it, return. So after pressing it, return, the evaluated answer script will reach to the students and they will be knowing about their marks they have obtained in the exam. Now after returning the evaluated answer scripts, I will check the result from here. Grade, total awarded marks. It is draft because I have not sent it, returned it. So all the marks will be appearing against the name, and this will calculate the class average also here. So this was the previous assignment wherein the total class average has been calculated. So here also it will be calculating. So now if you want, we can take the print of this. This print can be taken. So like this, we can conduct the exam and evaluate the answer script. And I feel this is an option for conducting online exam through Google Classroom app. Thank you.